Hi everyone, it's Amanda from Tailored Transformations. So we're here this week on Cook Week and we are dealing with the auditory sense. So this is all about using our senses to improve our well-being. And one thing I wanted to talk to you about, and it's something that I really wanted to try, always really fancied, and I finally got the chance to do this at the Happy Place Festival that Fern Cotton runs last year, and it was absolutely amazing. And that is sound baths. What the heck is that? I hear you say. Okay. So basically, sound baths is where you're using sound coming from lots of different directions, and basically it's sort of bathing you in the sound waves. So we're all energy, every living thing, and you can see if you put sound waves near water, it'll make ripples in the water. So again, we are mostly water. Look back at our previous post where it'll go into that a little bit more detail. But we've got a lot of water in our body, so sound waves have a really big impact on, and different frequencies can do different things. So a sound bath just sort of bathes you in sound, and certain sounds to sort of relax you, to calm you, and to sort of align yourself a little bit more. Now there's loads of ways you can do this. So the sound bath that I went to used drums and used the crystal sound bowls. There's usually loads locally, and I highly recommend you doing this. The great thing about the one that I went to, it was outside, so it was great for all of the senses because you were there, lay down in the outside, you could feel the wind on your face, the sun shining on you, you were grounded because we were laid down on the ground, and then you had this wonderful sound bath all around you as well. I think she even used a little bit of oil incense as well, just to get the other senses, the sense of smell going too. It was an amazing experience. I can't even describe it to you, but check it out and give it a go. Now, the type of sound baths that I can do with you, I tend to do this in group sessions of 4, 5 is ideal, but at least 4, because I can take part then if you need me to as well. And this is using our voices instead of a bowl or any sort of external sound. So what we do is we use affirmations, and we surround one person saying different affirmations, and we all move around and take it in turns. And it's amazing the ones that you will pick up that are relevant to you, that will stand out more as you're doing this, because you've got lots of people talking at you, which would sound a little bit mad, and it is. You do a little bit of smirking when you first start, but it's so much fun, and the things that come out and the ones that stand out to you, it just goes to show where your mind is focusing and what it's concentrating on. So obviously we're getting lots of sounds coming into us all the time throughout the day, and our brain has to sort through that and pick out the ones that are important. And again, in that type of a sound bath, that's the kind of thing that's happening. I also use it in my goal setting as well. So if we're doing that in a group face to face, we'll do a sound bath within there as well, with affirmations and goals all put into one. Again, you get a recording with it that you can take away, so if there's anything you're interested in, please do get in contact. But yeah, sound baths, please do check them out. If you've had any experience with a sound bath before, please put it in the comments and share with everybody. And if you know of any locally as well, please share that so everybody can join in and give it a go. So have a look into it, see what you think. It's something I really enjoyed, and it's something I'll definitely be doing again. So let me know your thoughts, and I'll speak to you soon.